Do you ever feel torn between being authentic and following all these branded rules? Like, if you're yourself, you get ignored, but if you follow the rules, then you sound fake. Well, I've worked with many creators over 40 who have felt this exact tension. And what they found is that authenticity and best practices can actually work together. And this is a question that's come in from Connie in a Heart Brand Creator Circle. She asked me about this, how to stay authentic while still learning the ropes of branding, if you will. And there are three ways in which you can do that. Step one is find a phrase, a story, value that you can repeat. It's your signature. It's like anchoring your voice. I talk about creating content in 2 minutes a day. That's something that I'm known for. So if you've got something within your repertoire through your knowledge, skills, wisdom, and expertise that you can lean into, then start to use that in your content. Step two is around the structure. Just use a simple structure. A clear flow through a hook and into your value and action makes you look like a pro without losing your voice. Now, a way in which I teach this is the hook, the mindset, the story, the teach, and the action step. It really does frame you so you know what you're talking about. And this way, it builds masses of trust with people online. And then the step number three, and it's layering. Gradually layer things in. Don't add 10 brand tricks all at once, just one at a time so it feels really, really natural. Like talking to camera, maybe using your hands, maybe just using pauses and silences and not just wanting to rush through your content. You see, the key is you don't have to choose authenticity or strategy. You blend the two by starting really, really small. And if you want the full playbook for weaving authenticity and voice into brand systems, that's exactly what I teach in the Heart Brand Blueprint. There'll be a link around this video. You can check it out. I'd love for you to come and join us.